Good day students, this is class 4 and today's subject is computer. Today we will see practical about lesson number 6, that is editing in MS Word 2010. So how to open MS Word? You have to click on start button, then MS Office Word 2010 and this window will be open. In previous period I have taught you about this window, what is ribbon and etc. Now we will start writing here. How to edit in MS Word? So see here, I will type I love Indian festival. Okay, so how to edit this text? See here, I will select this text, then I will go to the font size and I will choose 48 size. Okay, we can change font style also. Now, how to select any text? We will see how to select a text. We have to keep the mouse pointer on that text and we have to keep pressing that button and we have to move the mouse. Okay, then that text will be selected like this. So I have select this Indian word. Okay, so do you understand how to select like this? Okay, next, how to copy? We have to right click on that selected text and we have to click on copy option. Okay, see here and then I will paste here. Understood everyone? We have to right click and click paste. Then that particular word will be paste. Now I will cut it by using right click. You have to select the text and then you have to use right click option and cut it. Okay, and now I will paste it. Cut and paste. By using cut, copy and paste, 3 options are in the right click. Okay, so by using right click you can use those options. Now we will use undo option also, undo and redo option. So I have clicked undo option here on the title bar. So that word will remove from here. Now I will use redo option. When I click on redo option, that is reverse action of the undo. So that Indian word will come in your document again. Do you understand? Okay, now we will see the next topic, that is grammar and spelling checking. Okay, I have typed here complicated. Okay, but if I not type E word, so I have removed the E word here. So what will happen here? You can see a red wavy line here. Okay, first of all I will change the font size. See here and then see the difference. If I remove E word, then this red wavy line come because this is a spelling mistake. That's why that red line you can see. Okay, now how to remove that red line and how to take a corrected spelling? So we have to right click on that spelling and you have to choose the spelling from the list of spellings. Okay, and there is another method also. There are 2 methods to correct your spelling. Now I have removed that E again. I will go to review tab and from review tab you can select here spelling and grammar and then you can see here list of spellings. So you have to select the correct spelling from that list you have to click on change button. When I click change button, that spelling will be corrected. Okay. Now I will click on change and I will close this window, small window. Then you can see the change in your spelling. See, complicated. Now you can't see that red wavy line because the spelling is correct. So this is the use of MS Word 2010. That is, you can edit your spelling also. You can correct your spelling and grammar. Now I will use undo button and I will remove that Indian words. Okay. Now we will see how to insert table in MS Word 2010. So I will click on insert tab and then table group. So I will select 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay. Automatically in your document there you can see now 4 rows and 4 columns here. Okay. Now in which box you have to type something, you have to click on that box and start typing. Okay. If I want to type in the first box, then I will click there. Okay. But first of all, see 4 rows and columns are there. Okay. And you can change the size of that rows and column also by using that small boxes. Like how you zoom and zoom out in the same way. Okay. Now I will type in the first box roll number. Okay. In the next box we can type class. In next row we can type roll numbers. Roll number 1, here 2, and then 3, like this. Like this you can fill this table. So student understood how to insert table? We have to insert table from insert tab. Okay, from insert tab and then you have to click on table and you can insert table according to your wish. Okay students, understood everything? How to cut copy paste, how to use undo and redo command. Okay, how to insert table, how to use spelling and grammar check. Okay, very good. Now how to close your document? See here, minimize button and close button also, restore down button also. So you have to click on close button, then this document will be closed. They ask you, do you want to changes? If you click on no, then that will go. Understood? Okay, very good. Thank you students.